let's get you the latest figures that have been put out by the government on the number of coronavirus cases in India. It's now crossed the 18,000 mark. The Health Ministry has confirmed that the total cases in India is now at 18,601. That's an increase of 945 cases. The total active cases stands at 14,759. The death toll, unfortunately, has also gone up. It's now at 590. The silver lining is that 3,251 people have made a full recovery and have now been discharged. So those are the latest figures that have been put out by the government. Ashutosh is joining us with more details on this. Ashutosh, the number of cases clearly still on the rise. Give us the latest figures, also the worst affected states at this point.
Well, the worst affected states that remain Delhi, Bengal, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, where the testing and reports are still being reported in a higher surge. In fact, even the national capital, which is affected. And last, what we know that one case has also been reported in the high secure President House premises as well, where one of the sanitation workers' relative has been diagnosed positive. But at the same time, the ICMR data suggests that 3,251 cases have also been recovered and discharged. So that's also give a hope. And at the same time, what we know, since the government has given consent for the plasma therapy implementation, one case which was carried out in Max Hospital in the national capital, is showing symptoms of recovery. So clearly the hope is not dying, but at the same time the government only want, ensuring all the state following the ICMR and Health Ministry's guidelines, conducting maximum number of tests, follow the rules of hotspots, ensure there is isolation and people following the lockdown. But of course, at the same time, growing number of the positive cases have become also a great degree of concern for the government and authorities.
Okay, Ashutosh, thank you for joining us with all the latest there. So the number of cases has risen. Those are the latest numbers that have been put out by the Health Ministry.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.